Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the integrated terminal and confirming prerequisites. Open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P, CMD on Mac, and type toggle terminal to show it. Once visible, make sure the terminal is active and the shell matches your needs. Change it if necessary from the drop-down. You're now ready to move the terminal. Keep the panel visible while you make location changes, so you can see the effect immediately and revert quickly if needed. Next, you'll change the terminal position. Right-click the Terminal tab and choose Move Panel right, left, or bottom. This instantly docks it to that edge. Alternatively, use View Right Arrow Appearance Right Arrow Move Panel for quick access. Once done, open Settings Ctrl+, and set Terminal. Integrated. Default location to right, left, or bottom to persist the choice across sessions. Make sure to select whether you want it as a panel or an editor group so tasks and splits behave as you expect. Finally, lock in your layout and handle common issues. Save your workspace to preserve terminal placement and use the split button or Ctrl+// to create multiple terminal panes inside the chosen dock. If the terminal doesn't move, make sure no extension overrides layout and try toggling the panel off and back on. Sometimes disabling a layout extension temporarily fixes it. If problems persist, reset workbench layout or restore default settings. Doing so usually resolves conflicts and returns the terminal to normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.